Hello and welcome to another episode of A Brief History. Today's episode... Ready, set, go! June 5th, 2007, a young bearded man with a beard named Craig Benzine uploaded his first video blog to YouTube. He dubbed his channel Wheezy Waiter because A, he is an asthmatic, and 3, at the time he worked as a waiter. After having spent 2 days off of work watching nothing but Zay Frank, Craig began to channel his hatred of being a waiter into some very entertaining video blogs that hardly anyone watched. In fact, a year and a half after his first video, Craig had uploaded over 100 videos to an audience of only 32 subscribers. This didn't bother Craig though, as he continued to make videos and finally began to gain popularity. In 2010, Craig really took on the Zay Frank initiative and made a video almost every day for an entire year, and how many more times am I gonna have to say that? This was the year when Craig's popularity really began to take off, being plugged and referenced by the likes of Charlie McDonald, the Vlog Brothers, Mitchell Davis and Kyle Seibert of Live Lava Live, Dan Brown, and my future wife, Mika Kitty, who's actually the person from whom I learned about the Bearded Wonder. Of course, it would be impossible to talk about Wheezy Waiter without mentioning his inside jokes. Over his time talking to a camera, Craig has made inside jokes out of just about everything. Coffee, bagels, bananas, handstands, eagles, and Aunt Judy, juggling, breathing, and even more. Despite his average man persona, Craig's living quarters, which have varied not once, not twice, but thrice, are similar to that of the inside of the Doctor's TARDIS, boasting a cloning machine, a time machine, an alligator pit, a sky bank, and a whale tank. That rhymes. His videos contain so many inside jokes that I would even go as far as to say that Wheezy Waiter could rival all of Nerdfighteria in terms of sheer number of inside jokes. I don't mean anything bad to Nerdfighters about that. I'm a Nerdfighter myself. Please don't kill me! Also in 2010, Craig was made a team captain of Rhett and Link's Supernote competition. Despite having less subscribers than any other team captain, Craig's team Beard still beat out the competition and took home the Iron Lung, which I don't have because I'm out of breath. In addition to his main channel, Craig also has a daily vlog channel, an iPhone channel, a gaming channel, and a side channel for his new project called The Good Stuff, which I'll talk a little bit more about later. Aside from his videos, Craig is also a musician. He has fronted a rock band called Driftless Pony Club for over a decade, and partially thanks to his YouTube success, Craig and his friends finally got some recognition and signed to DFTBA Records. Also outside of the video realm, Craig appeared in Dan Dobie's 2013 YouTube documentary called Please Subscribe, along with Mitchell Davis, Dan Brown, Hannah Hart, Daily Grace, Mystery Guitar Man, The Will of DC, and that other guy whose name I do not know. In 2013, Craig announced that he was working on a quote-unquote secret project that was later titled The Good Stuff. The Good Stuff would be a new series made by Wheezy and Friends in which there will be a playlist of videos released every week centering around a specific topic. The first week of The Good Stuff was all about origins and included guests such as Craig's mom and Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Bill! Over the years, Craig has continued doing what he loves to do in the way he loves to do it. But as he's kept going over the years, his life has changed, and by that I mean his life has gotten better and better, causing a change in comedic style. In his early videos, Craig was slightly cynical.
My kids are dead.
He was always talking about something that annoyed him. His jokes centered around making fun of celebrities, how much he hated being a waiter, and his own loneliness. But nowadays, Craig has his dream job, a wonderful girlfriend named China, and he has gained a newfound respect for the successful. And even though he may not be in the top 10 most subscribed, he has still left a very large impact on the internet. Like if you ever see a YouTuber wink and that wink makes a ding noise, or if you ever hear a YouTuber use the phrase doobly-doo, that all comes straight from Wheezy Waiter. That is his creation. Well, that's about it. Only one thing left to do now.
Everybody dance now. Bum 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 bum.
Okay, I'm done with that.
Thanks for watching the story of me, everybody, and thank you, Ryder, for making it. It's useful, because someday, when I'm old, given my horribly unhealthy lifestyle, I will have no memory of my life, and I can watch this video to remind myself. Unless, well, I'll probably be blind, too, so I'll have to listen to it. Well, I'll probably be deaf, too. I listen to a lot of loud music. Then, by that point, there should be technology to plug it directly into my brain. But if that's the case, I'll probably just be plugging in cat videos. So, anyway, thanks for making it. Untrimmed
rugged man shadow.
You're funny.